Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So again we are looking at Pump.Fun or the Pump token, and it is not a good day to be a Pump coin holder because there is a relentless selling happening. Some days wallets are selling, there is no airdrop announcement, and two VCs have been selling their allocations as well, as you can see here. So that has basically forced this token to crash immediately from 67 to as low as 52. I did cover it when the token came out. It was trading around at the exact same level, and after that I did say that there will be a pretty good selling once the coin goes at least near like 80, or even if we look at 80 or 70, but it actually ended up peaking around 68, as you can see, and as of now it has been going down. And again, this coin does have a massive volume. So if you look at its volume, it's like 1 billion, and this if we look at the pump swap, still it is the biggest one. And all of that, this immediate crash, you can say, has benefited the bonk, because bonk is the biggest competitor of the pump, I would say, at least in the Solana ecosystem, because again the bonk does have their own Pump.Fun like platform. They also have a bonk swap as well, and if you look at the bonk price, the token has basically benefited from this massive you can say this massive selling happening on the pump as well. So as of now, the biggest winner has been bonk, I would say. Now if we look at the pump itself, there is still a lot of interest in the pump token itself. So if you look here, even if you just try to search it on my Twitter, there are a lot of accounts that are basically saying that it is still a pretty good buy. So they are accumulating, so that could be one of the things that can actually push the token higher. But it seems like that again, as of now, the token is still under fire. So if you are planning to buy this coin, again we can expect it to like go as low as 48, or even below than that. But if you're planning to basically buy it on a spot, you can take a risk and just do a DCA, dollar cost average, and hopefully if the demand remains consistent, the coin could actually go up. But as of now, again, there is a lot of selling happening as well, so that is something you should know about this coin. And they haven't announced airdrop yet, so that is, I would say, a pretty disappointing. So if they do announce airdrop or something like that, there is a chance that the coin could actually see a pretty good pump from here. But again, we'll have to wait and see when they do that. But as of now, they have not done that as well. Now if we look at the market cap, let's just have a look at it. So this is how the market cap looks like. It actually peaked around 2.4 billion, and this is the market cap of the bonk. So let's just open it. So this is the market cap of the bonk. The bonk basically was peaking. Okay, so let's just try to go yearly. So this is what is happening. So if you look here, the bonk basically ended up peaking above around 4 billion back in December, and as of now it was using the exact around 2.5 or like 2.7 billion as resistance, as you can see here. But now it actually just went up, and I think that has to do with the pump swap, the pump token having a lot of sell pressure. But again, there was a pretty good, I would say, there is again a pretty good interest for the pump token at this exact level, because this level, or you can say this demand zone, is pretty strong one. Because if you just look here, at launch it actually ended up going 61. After that it came right around this exact demand zone, and again it actually ended up going up to 60, and again it came back to this exact demand zone, and after that it actually ended up going as high as 68 or 69, you can say. And again it has exactly retested on this exact demand zone, so there's a chance that it could actually go at least as high as 60, and after that I'm not sure. but again it does have a pretty good resistance around 60 as well. So this is the resistance that could actually work out here, but again we do need to wait and see how it plays out. But again there is still a lot of sell pressure happening, so I'm not sure what is the outlook of the project at the end. But again let's see what happens. But again, if I think whoever actually bought it on a pre-sale won't be selling below 440, so at least that is a pretty good point as of now. So there will be a lot of buying happening around 40 as well. So if it does loses the support and it goes around like 40, I think that could be a pretty good entry point for this coin, and that could be a pretty good bounce back point for this coin as well. But as of now it seems like that there are traders who are basically pushing the coin, pushing the token higher. But again this is what usually happens whenever there is a downtrend. There is always pushback, and when the sellers aren't that strong, when the buyers aren't that strong, the coin tends to go up. But again as of now it is trying to break out, as you can see. So if it does breaks out, I think it could be a pretty massive one, and it can actually go as high as 60 or even higher than that. But again I'm not sure, because there is still a lot of selling happening, and we do need some tweets from them as well, and let's see what happens. But there is nothing, so I think most of the traders are most likely waiting from the official X account for some official updates. So let's see what happens. But as of now at least from the looks of it, it is trying to break out, and if it does breaks out, I think it's going around 61 or even higher than that if it does breaks out. But again, if it does go below 48, or even if it does go around 48, that could be a pretty good entry for this, at least in the spot and a dollar cost average. And you can dollar cost average it till 38 or even till 40, and I think the 40 could be a pretty good entry price for this coin as well. But again as of now it seems like that it is trying to push higher, but let's see what happens. But you do need to know that there are VCs that are selling the token, and the team I think did actually end up selling the coin, ended up selling some tokens as well. So I saw the tweet. So that is something not good, I would say, for the token in general. So anyways, and this was it. I hope you like the update. I will be back with more updates if there are any. Let's see what happens.